Hey, good morning guys, it's Scott. I'm here at Goblin Valley State Park in Utah. We rolled in last night at about midnight, went and shot Astro till about 3 in the morning, and then got up at about 4 to come back out. Absolutely gorgeous view this morning, and I'm really looking forward to shooting the 2023 solar eclipse. So we're set up right now, all the way over on the right. Missy's got a camera set up too, and we're just basically waiting right now. The time is 9:06. I guess this should start around 9:30. Totality at 10:30, and then we're out of here and on an airplane after that. All right, guys, we're about 10 minutes away from totality here. We're definitely about 80% now, and it's starting to really look good.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Whoever.
We're out.
Bring a fire.
All right, guys, that's a wrap on the 2023 eclipse here in Utah. It's in the can. See you on the next one. Bye.